This week's video was supposed to be us making the Evo 10 look brand new again. Until disaster happened. I crashed my daily driver, my Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is my Warrior and the car that allows me to build the Evos for long periods of time when they are down in the garage. Now, you may be asking yourself, how did this happen? And I still can't believe I'm going to say this. Now, if you're curious to know how the hell this thing happened, it is the dumbest thing ever. I had these slides on as I was driving, and trust me when I say don't ever wear slides or slippers while you're driving. The brake and gas pedal got stuck while I was trying to park exactly how this Ford Fusion is parked. And instead of braking, since the slide got stuck, it hit the hell out of that tree, as you guys can see over there. And just by hitting that tree with that beautiful red Evo in the background, I did all of this damage. Hood, headlight, front bumper, right side fender. It is a complete disaster. But you guys know me, let's fix this in-house right away and make this Jeep look brand new once again. Let's start by removing all the crash parts. This is all very simple to do with some basic hand tools. You can remove everything. To remove the hood, it is just a total of 4 bolts, not even kidding. Remove the windshield wiper sprayers and you are good to go. And just like that, we have removed all the crash parts, the hood, fender, and front bumper. It's honestly super simple and anybody could do this. I even use my ratchet instead of my power tools just to show you guys that with just home tools, you can remove basically almost your whole entire car. I'm not even kidding, except the engine and little things like that. But you might be asking yourself, how am I going to fix this Jeep, crash Jeep, in less than 24 hours? And that is where RevMoto comes in. RevMoto is a company based in Houston, Texas, and what they do is super cool. I never even knew this existed, to be honest. They ship out right to your door, ready to install painted auto body parts. Best of all, these are paint match to make sure it is perfect with the rest of your car. The way they're able to do this is by you sending them your painted gas cap or any small car part that's painted. Crazy, right? This removes so many factors. Dealing with insurance, raising your prices after, also researching for a good body shop and one you'll actually trust to do a good job. And most importantly, for us car enthusiasts, leaving our cars at a shop for weeks when you don't even know what they're doing with your car? Yeah, no thank you. I'll take this any time of the day. Now, all we have to do is reverse process. Install all the parts exactly how we took them out. This is super quick and honestly, if I wasn't recording, this would have probably taken me less than 2 to 3 hours. Just like that, the entire car is back together. But there was one thing that was really bothering me, and that was the old headlight looking all yellow and then the one headlight looking brand new. Let's go ahead and change that real quick. I'm using a drill instead of my machine polishers because again, everyone should have a drill at their house, right? Any of you guys can honestly do this, and I really mean it when I say this. Just say this real quick. In less than 30 minutes, you guys could all have brand new, clean headlights. I'm not even kidding when I say this. Less than 30 minutes. Buy the kit I'm recommending. A couple of discs, 30 minutes, I'm not even kidding, and you guys could get these same results. Just wanted to come in here and tell you guys that, because a lot of people think that it's this big science when it comes to restoring headlights. It is super simple. You could do it. There's a video that I did that goes very, very detailed. I'll link it in the description. Let's go ahead and finish this bad boy up. Now, to finish the headlights, I am applying a ceramic coat on top to protect them basically forever. I'll link everything I use for the headlights down in the description. And this is the rebuild complete. Well, wait, one more thing. You guys know me and I noticed this after. How could I leave the OEM Jeep badge off the car? Just measure real quick and install. take a look at this before and after in basically less than 24 hours. Like that, the Jeep is basically, I'm not even kidding, I think better than before. It came out brand new, and the color match as well came out really good. You guys know how I am, I'm super OCD when it comes to that stuff, and it actually did come out really good. And just everything overall was just such a simple thing to do, and that's why I didn't use not a single one of my power tools, just because I wanted to show you guys that with just basic hand tools, ratchets, and all of that, I basically fixed my entire front end of the Jeep, headlight, front bumper, hood, fender, all the fender wells and stuff like that, just with a flathead and an 8 mil, a 13, and a 10 mil. That's basically it. And I did all of that, not even kidding. So the whole point of this video is to show you guys that you guys are more than capable of doing all of this stuff that I do here in the garage. I also want to give a huge shout out to RevMoto for sending me the parts safely to my house and actually paint matching them. They took the gas cap to try to paint match it correctly. Just the service overall, me getting emails, updates all the time. The service was top notch. Also, specifically for us, car enthusiasts and Evo people, whenever we have a part that we need a painter, the worst part is leaving one of these cars at a body shop and you not knowing what the hell they're doing to your car when you're not there. Imagine leaving the JDM Red Evo 8 at a body shop, you not knowing if they're gonna take it out for a joyride or doing whatever the case might be. You could order parts from RevMoto, leave your car in your garage, and then, like I showed you guys, with simple hand tools, replace body panels, bumpers, hoods, you name it, they have it on their website. So honestly, it will mean a lot if you guys could go check them out. They helped me, as you guys saw, tremendously with the Jeep. And now, the thing that you guys have been waiting for, the next couple of videos, it is going to be time to finish the exterior on the Evo 10. I'll see you guys next time. Like always, keep grinding, stay safe, take care. Peace out. Evo 10 time. It's gonna look beautiful.